Good day everybody, USADOS here from Busyman. Today we got this beautiful STAREX 2015 limousine car. It's very nice, very beautiful and in very good condition. Let's take a look at this car, review it for you, show you everything. It's very clean from outside, inside, engine is good, everything's good. Let's take a look at it.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
Here we go, it's the engine. It sounds very good. A little bit of smoke coming out. No oil. Engine is perfect, no problem at all. Alright everybody, we're inside the car right now. Let me show you everything in here. Let's start by switching on the car. Put the key on. Lights are on. Okay. Start the engine. Lights are gone. Everything looks very good. Let's try to accelerate and see the RPM's movement. Alright, here we go. Goes out very smoothly and very good. One more time. Show you from here. Rest. Engine sounds good. Show you everything here in this car. There is a screen here, touch screen of course. You can play stuff on it. Let's try the AC. On cold. Alright, the wind is blowing very good. Okay. Let's try to control this. I'm controlling it from here. Trying to boot the radio, but I don't know how to control it. From here, but I'm not sure how to start the radio. Maybe this one. I'm not sure. I should have played with it before starting. Anyway, you can reach the radio from here. I'm not sure exactly how, but that's how we do it. Maybe here. Oh yeah. Okay. You can listen to music from here. Perfect from here. Switch off the AC. AC working perfectly. See the windows. This one works perfectly. Another one too. The car from inside. Show you the roof of the car. It's kind of luxurious. Luxury car. You can also control the lightnings here. control them from these buttons over here. All of the controls are here and here. That you can control all of the vehicle. Okay, so as you can see, the vehicle looks very clean and beautiful, and this one also moves perfectly. There's also screen camera. Perfect. So that should be everything here. So as you've seen, this was the review of the car, STAREX 2015, a limousine, this luxurious car. As you've seen here, there's no problem at all. The engine is in a very good condition. The outside and the inside are very clean. It's a very nice car. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to reach us out. You can ask us any questions. We'll be very happy to answer you back. And if you need more pictures or videos or anything, you inquire, we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.